हाय हेलो नमस्ते, वेलकम टू फॉक्सी। मेरा नाम तनु सरदाना है। एक कॉमन प्रॉब्लम जो देखा गया है कि व्हेन यू गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग, सो यू रियलाइज दैट पफिनेस अंडर योर आईज व्हिच मेक्स यू लुक ओल्डर एंड आल्सो द स्वोलन फेस। उससे डील करने के लिए आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट अ लिम्फेटिक ड्रेनेज मसाज। बहुत ही सिंपल टेक्निक है जिसके थ्रू यू कैन एक्चुअली हेल्प yourself to remove that puffiness and swelling from your face. Now, before actually starting the process of massage, I would suggest you that you need to nourish and you need to moisturize. And for that, बहुत सारे options available हैं. But if I talk about my personal favorites, so it has to be Lymphatic Super Tasker cream. So if I'm heading out और उससे पहले अगर मुझे इसको use करना है, so I prefer using a cream because it's more nourished and I prefer using this one. लेकिन अगर मैं घर पे हूँ और बहुत relaxed हूँ, then I prefer using this oil. It's from Tijori. It's 100% pure Mamra almond oil. And what I really like about this oil is that एक तो nourishing है, ऊपर से pure है, natural है, which is good for my skin. I'm going to take some oil in my hand, gently going to rub it and use it on my tips. Now you need to cross your hand, and here you have to be extremely gentle with your body, of course. Then you have to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will move to our shoulder blades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. What exactly it is doing? It is removing toxins from our body. Now from shoulder blades, we'll move to the chin area and we'll go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now वैसे ही अगर मैं बात करूँ इस पूरे प्रोसेस की, इट्स एक्चुअली हेल्पिंग मी टू डिटॉक्स, लेकिन साथ के साथ द ऑयल दैट आई एम यूजिंग इज वेरी नरिशिंग. नाउ वी विल गो बैक टू द ईयर एंड वी आर गोइंग टू प्लेस आवर हैंड्स लाइक दिस, वन साइड as you can see, and now we're going to just go gentle and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll go to the eyebrow area and we're going to give a nice gentle massage here as well with our tips. I'm going to use some oil. I would suggest you to use oil because it brings more relaxation while doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll go to the under eye area because usually सबसे ज़्यादा puffiness यहीं पे ही होती है और सबसे ज़्यादा aged भी हम इसी की वजह से दिखते हैं. So we'll start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'll go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you must have noticed that I'm using my ring finger here because under eye का area सबसे ज़्यादा sensitive होता है, and वैसे भी if you are going to use ring finger तो इसका pressure बहुत slight होता है, and this is exactly what you need when it comes to under eyes. You have to be extremely gentle with your under eyes. Now I'll go backward and I'm going to massage again on my eyebrows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know the process now, right? So we're going to go back to the ears and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need to use some more oil. I love to use 100% pure Mamra almond oil because there are no toxins in it and it's 100% pure and natural. It's good for my skin. Now as you know the process, we're going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's time for shoulder blades now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it's the final one here. You're going to be extremely gentle one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So usually ये practice, ये massage, lymphatic drainage massage मैं usually सुबह उठते ही करती हूँ. But if I want to do it like any time in the day, वो भी possible है. Whenever you are free, whether you are at work or at home, you can do it. So if you know someone who needs this lymphatic drainage massage, I would suggest you कि आप उनके साथ भी ये video को share कर सकते हैं. For more such content, keep watching Foxy. Until then, stay fab, stay foxy.